we go, kid. Room 1263 at the Grand America Hotel in Salt Lake City. You will notice that this is unlike most of my other hotels. But we will start over here on the left. We have a mini fridge, decoratively hidden. Ice bucket over on this side, and then some extra snacks over there. These are not free, actually far from it. You can see the prices there. But walk over here. To the right, we have ironing board and hangers. Pretty solid doors, by the way. Solid locks. You can definitely feel safe here. But we have a thermostat right there. We go in. In this room we have a king bed. We have a nightstand with a pull-out extra shelf to kind of extend that out for you. We have some outlets there along with the alarm clock. We have some more outlets right down over here. Go over to this nightstand, same thing. We do have the pull-out for the extra, just no other outlets. Yeah, there's one back there. So we will move on here. We'll show well, let's go into the bathroom here. We have thermostat number 2, as well as the light switches to control the little powder area here. So hand towel, extra outlets there, so that way I can do my hair with the blow dryer and whatnot. I missed this over here. So this is an extra room or closet. It does have an in-room safe. Hangers galore. A nice fancy robe for you to wear. But we go in over here to the bathroom, and the bathtub, very nice and spacious. Its own separate shower. Pretty solid facilities here. Over here we have shower cap, sewing kit, shoe mitten, and vanity pack. Toilet. Pretty standard stuff there. They have a scale, but it's not working, or maybe I just have to find a switch and turn it on. I don't know. We'll see. But we will come on. Oh, I did want to show you that they do have plenty of toiletries here, some lotion and soap, as well as shampoo, conditioner, and more lotion right there. So let's go into the living room portion over here. Oh, and the TV, you can see, pretty solid picture. We are in Utah, so BYU TV is a must. But we have this here, nice couch, and it is not a sofa bed or anything like that, just a decorative couch. We have a chair, glass table, desk to work at, notepad, phone, all the normal stuff over there. Plenty of outlets on that side. And then my favorite part of the room is the balcony is actually usable. So you can't do much but stand here, at least on my side, but you can stand here and you can look out at the mountains. The view is pretty awesome. When you have the outside pool. Won't be doing much swimming here today or while I'm here, but we can see we're on the 12th floor. It's kind of high up, but it's so nice to get out here and see the city, breathe some fresh air. We have the fancy guys next to us with the double balcony there in the suite. So yeah, that's it. Until next time, see ya.